Another tool here is dramatic. It's not doing anything special except it's changing the saturation and the contrast to create something like this. Going to the amount and increase the number a lot. As you can see, it's create something like this. It's play with saturation and something brightness. And with the local contrast, you can change it again. And going to brightness and saturation, it's not going to saturate very much, but you can slightly change the saturation here, going to the black and white or a little colorful. Or of course brightness, like this. It's called dramatic. If you want to create something like pixel things, postcards, you can create with a dramatic. That's very easy.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.